Yeah, Sky. Again, in the panel, I thought you answered the question really beautifully about the difference between mushrooms and mycelium. So could you elaborate a bit on that for this particular video?
Sure. Yeah. So mushrooms and mycelium are two different plant parts or fungal stages of these fungal organisms. The other primary stage being spores. And so typically spores will be out in the air around us, in the woods. I mean, they can even found them in upper parts of the atmosphere, but they will land somewhere. And when the conditions are correct, they will germinate and they will start to grow into these very fine filaments called hyphae. And these hyphae will keep growing and start to fuse together and they will form what's called mycelium. And so the mycelium will be out in nature and it will be kind of decomposing organic matter to get sort of food per se by gaining nutrients. And then when the conditions are correct, it will produce what we call a mushroom. So that's also commonly referred to as a fruiting body. And the mycelium is commonly referred to as the vegetative body. So it's kind of the overall sort of, let's see, root system of this organism that lives on beyond the mushroom, just like, say, an apple tree keeps going every year. So it's really important when we're talking with mushroom and mycelium products to really differentiate the two because there's a very big difference between how they are processed.